How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. Well, you guys see it already. I didn't plan into filming this, but I was kind of boring this morning. I didn't have nothing to do. I've been working in this car and on the road for hours. I haven't been able to film just because it's something that it's not really interesting. I've been working on the fog lights. If you can see right here, this one has a crack. I didn't like the blue. I changed it to the yellow ones back on it, but this one is not working now, so I had to change the bulb. I've been working on these two cars, been doing a lot of stuff. So what do you guys think about my new Fender? It's really difficult to work in this area right here and right there. Really difficult, but I didn't show you process because that's kind of boring. Everybody tends to show you how to wrap and all that, so not really my style. But it's not like I'm really good at it. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this. I did this to learn because maybe later I can do wraps on my cars. Obviously I'm not gonna do sticker bomb for all my cars, but you get the idea. So I just put it on uh, just to get some practice, I guess. And it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad at all. I like it. I might keep it. But yeah, guys, that's what I'm doing right now. I just try to share a little bit of what I'm doing. I have all the wrap sticker bomb right there. You guys remember on my roof rack I got a sticker bomb on top, which is really dirty, but it looks good. And I've been working on removing all the plastic dip from this car, which is it's gonna take a while. I might just paint black plastic dip on top and forget about it because it's really difficult to remove this thing. I was working on another video for the RAV4, so that one is coming. And working with lights again, doing some other projects, but I just try to change some stuff on the lights because you guys already know I've been doing all these episodes with lighting and all that. So I'm not gonna show you the changes that I'm doing. I'm just try to share a little bit of what I'm doing right now. This thing is done. Just gonna put this one back on. So I had to remove it so you guys can see the wrap is gonna be under. I'm gonna start working after this on the hood. I'm gonna go and clean it, and I might put more wrap. I might do carbon fiber. I might do a sticker bomb again. I'm not sure, but yeah, that one it has to get cleaned today. So inside the car, you guys know I have carbon fiber. Here is carbon fiber, which is damaged already, and I put this red camo in here, and I put red camo in there. It's not the perfect one. I had to do a second layer because to do this shape right here, oh man, it's really hard. But I did this before. I never get the chance to show you that I did this one, and I did all this. I did carbon fiber on these panels, and these ones, because the form and the shape, I didn't even try. I just paint them black here, there, on the back too. That's carbon fiber wrap, and that's paint. So for my next car, I'm trying to get a black 5-speed Accord with black interior. Hopefully I get that because this one is not looking bad, but I wish everything was black inside. I don't like this color, but it doesn't look really bad. Sticker bomb and camos and sticker bomb outside, you know, I mean, I do this for me. I don't do this for everybody else. So that's why this car is kind of like, it has a little bit of everything, but hey, it's not a show car. It's not gonna go to a museum. But what do you guys think about this? I kind of like it. I know I'm not gonna do the whole car. If you guys think that, oh, this guy gets crazy now, he's gonna do a sticker bump the whole car. No, I'm not gonna do that. I saw people driving with fenders with sticker bump, and I kind of like it. And I was like, man, I got some sticker bump left, so let me just do it. And there you have it. And I know this car has been sitting here because I've been driving the new car for like 3-4 days, and the car sits, and look at that, oil stains already on the floor. So the seals are getting bad. The main seal is getting bad probably, and I was thinking on getting a new engine because this engine has almost 250,000 miles. I might just do a swap, something newer, something better, and I might get some other engine, or I just maybe, if I get the chance, when I get my 5-speed car, I'm just gonna remove this one and rebuild this one. I'm not sure about it, but I've been working on this. I gotta do the seals probably, or get a new engine, and car is looking really good, really good. It's running really good too. I haven't had any problems. It's been running fine, but since I have a new car, you know, I'm just driving that one more, but I'm trying to not drive this one too much right now because I have a new one, so I don't put that many miles. But I do miss this car. I do miss it. So guys, I'm gonna finish this. I only had to put that one back on it. I'm gonna do some more cleaning. I'm gonna clean the hood, so probably I'm gonna prep it today for more wrap, and I'm gonna clean the trunk because this thing is a mess. So I've been able to remove the plastic dip. It looks ugly, but maybe I'm just gonna use a pressure washer and remove the whole plastic dip on the car. But that one is gonna stay. Kinda like it. So that's all I have for this one, guys. I just try to share what I'm doing right now because sometimes I do a lot of stuff to the cars on the weekends, off camera, stuff that you don't see because sometimes I feel like there is nothing that you can learn, and you guys know that my channel is about learning, but I'm really happy on sharing this with you guys. So I hope you like this episode. Have any questions, please comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.